Hey guys, it's me, Flo. Welcome to my channel. I know it's been a few days since I posted. I mean, not that long because I was doing the daily design challenge and I was posting every day, but I had to take a little bit of a breather and a break, but I'm back. And for today's 14th daily design challenge, we are going to be doing something kind of expressive, and I feel like a way to kind of let go and have kind of fun. So for today's design, we're going to be coming up with a CD cover. But the CD cover is going to be inspired by how we're feeling, our emotions, our state of mind. I just feel like, and I'm sure a lot of you can relate to this, I've been feeling kind of overwhelmed and with everything going on with COVID and just all the things that are happening in the world right now, it's like quite a bit. And I feel like I wanted to do something that was kind of expressive. So basically the challenge is to take whatever you're feeling or your state of mind and use that as inspiration to come up with a CD cover. So it's kind of more personal. What I'm feeling is mixed emotions, kind of up and down, and I'm sure a lot of you can relate to that. So I'm going to do that, and I'm actually going to do that on my iPad on Procreate, but you don't have to do that on your iPad. If you don't have an iPad, you can even do it on Illustrator, Photoshop. Go crazy, go wild, have fun with it, and just kind of whatever you're feeling, put it on. You can put it on paper. It doesn't have to be digital. You could do some kind of sketches, or you could even just do it digital, however you like. You could even paint it. I just letting you go crazy, go wild, have some fun with it, and see what you come up with. We have 1 hour to create this, and I also have a mock-up so you can see how it looks in a CD cover. Let's get this challenge started.